Alright, this is an introductory tutorial to Photoshop, so let me just flip this. So how do I do that again? Flip. Alright, that's it, yeah. Rotate tool. See, rotate it back. It's looking fairly level. Now zoom in or zoom out. Zoom in. So you can use the zoom tool and drag your mouse down the way and it zooms in. Now this is the selection tool, top left selection. You can move objects around. That's that. Now you can do this to select squares. You just drag your mouse and then Control J and it'll copy it. Now I can change the color of this by right clicking, then go blending options. Now pattern overlay. That's obviously a different thing. Now that just gives it patterns. There's so many different options for customization in Photoshop. Now crop is just to crop your image, so you just drag it out like this. But I don't want to do that, so I'm going to cancel that. Color selector, let's just select any color, click on your mouse, and it'll bring it down here so you have them in your color picker. Now this is the blending, so this just blends. Well, let me get the cat image. Versus a cat, it just basically, alright, go into this. It blends it with the surrounding colors, well, to the best of its ability anyway. Paintbrush, paint stuff. Stamp tool, don't know what that actually does, never works. Actually, if you alt and click, it does something, I don't know what though. Now this is browser, this is just weird. This is an eraser, it rubs things out. Paint bucket, just paint stuff in. And what does this thing do again? Blur tool, oh, blurs things, very nice. If you want to blur an image, obviously that'll be for you. Dodge tool, or burn tool. Let me try this. Burn. This gives a nice effect, I know for a fact because I've used it before. So it kind of darkens stuff. You can see that bottom left. I'm going to get another image. Another cat. Control C, Control V. Cat face. Nope. What am I doing? Oh, there it is. Above the red. Now see this, see what the burn tool is doing? It's making it darker so you can emphasize things. Pen tool to make really cool shapes, so you just drag and drop different individual points. Now watch this, click on selection and then feather radius 2 and you Control J and then you can select the color overlay you want. Color overlay and boom, really nice shape. Any kind of shape you want with the pen tool. Text, la 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 la. Just make shapes, you move it in and out, make multiple shapes. Very pretty. Hand tool, move things around. And that's an introductory tutorial to Photoshop. I hope to see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day and goodbye. Here's a cat. I'm going to zoom in on his eyes because it's going to be really weird. It's going to be my outro. Elliptical eyes. Alright, Control J. No. Control J. You have a floating pair of eyes just staring you out of it. Right. What a work of art. Alright, be sure to subscribe and like the video. I hope you found this content educational. Look at that, that's awesome. Now, this looks like a Jackson Pollock painting. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.